Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about. How do I add money to an inmate commissary account? Especially with updates for 2025, this process has become even more streamlined and secure. If you have a loved one behind bars, you know how important it is to keep their commissary account topped up for essentials like food, toiletries, and phone calls. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step in a simple, straightforward way. First off, what's a commissary account? It's basically a personal fund for inmates to buy items from the prison store. Now, for 2025, most facilities have upgraded to digital systems, making it easier than ever. Start by visiting the official website of the correctional facility or department. Look for something like the Department of Corrections portal. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already. This usually involves providing your details and verifying your identity for security reasons. Once you're logged in, search for the inmate by their full name, ID number, or booking details. Select the inmate's commissary account, then choose the amount you want to add. Payment options have expanded in 2025. Think credit cards, debit cards, even digital wallets like PayPal or Venmo in some states. Just double-check for any transaction fees, which can vary but are often around $2-5 per deposit. After selecting your payment method, review the details to avoid errors, then hit Submit. You'll get a confirmation email or text almost instantly. Pro tip: always keep records of your transactions in case you need to follow up. Also, be aware of daily or monthly limits set by the facility to prevent fraud. One more thing. 2025 brings enhanced security features, like two-factor authentication, so make sure you have access to your phone or email for verification. If you're tech-averse, some facilities still offer options via phone or in-person kiosks, but online is the fastest. There you have it. Adding money to an inmate's commissary account is quicker and safer than ever in 2025. If you run into any issues, contact the facility's support team directly. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more practical guides, and let me know in the comments if you have other questions. Stay supportive and take care.